กินสองไม้ป่ะจ๊ะ
ข้าว
ปลาสองไม้เนาะ
อยากจะเป็นข้าวจ๊อกแดงเท่าไหร่คะ
แรก10 บาทจ้ะ
จะข้าวจ๊อกแดง2 อัน
ครับผมแรกยักษ์ตัวจ้ะ
2
เป็น40ครับ
แล้วอันนี้ที่เรื่องไม่เท่าไหร่คะ
ที่ได้ไม่ราคาจ้ะ
จะข้าวจ๊อกใหม่
เป็น50
ผ่านไม่ผ่าน
ครับผมเรียน40 บาทเขาต้องเขาเดือนครับเป็น40เนาะเดี๋ยวอะไรจ้ะร้านพ่อมาจ้ะเป็นอะไรเป็นเกียรติด้วยเนาะครับผมเอาก่อนไปคนไหนกันลูกตัดผมมาจ้ะคนกันเท่าไหร่ฮะคนกันเรียกเนาะเอา23 มันทางมันอยากคันมันโอ้หินเป็นขุดเป็นอะไรไทยแล้วล่ะอันนี้มันทางดินทรายพวกเนี้ยเป็นได้ดีก็มลภาพมันมีมือนี่ตลาดมันมีมลภาพเลยเป็นรอยพอได้ก็จะเอาครับผมครับผมเขากินมาจ้ะ
เอาอยู่
50นะก่อนถ่ายผมได้มาจ้ะ
อย่าเล่น
2 โล โอ้ลุงสายตั้งไว้เรียบร้อยครับครับผมเจ็ด40เนาะ30 40เขาดอกอะไรจ้ะเขาดอก20นี่20ตลาดเนาะ40เนาะโอ้โหน้ำเนาะ
Okay guys, check it out. Bag full of mystery meat on a stick. How cool is that? I've had from this guy before, and any of this mystery meat on a stick is never anything too exciting for me, you know? It's not my thing, that's all. But this guy, the sauce is spectacular, and that's why he's in business. He's been doing this for over 35 years. He's been selling off of a cart for 35 years. You think his career has been selling meatballs? Unbelievable, yeah? I asked him, that's at least a year ago when I asked him how long. And he said then it's over 35 years, so it's probably closer to 40 by now. That's unbelievable, right? And you see how busy he is? I've never seen him sitting and waiting for customers, ever. I've seen this guy for 15 years now. Let's try one. These are all pork. I asked for pork. You can get chicken, you can get fish. I don't know about beef, but I went with the pork. I tell you, that sauce is unbelievable. And it's spicy. He actually added more chilies to it before he took mine out. Try this one. I just want the sauce, to be honest. This guy should be bottling that stuff and selling it. He'd make a fortune. Doesn't taste half bad, actually. All you do is just tell him how much money you want to spend, and he'll fill the bag up for you. Takes some seconds. And he's got bags full of these all over that cart. And when he's done, when he sells out, he just goes home. It's a bicycle cart, you know. Sits on his bicycle and down the road he goes. I don't know where he lives. It's not that far. I've seen him on the road a few times. Really good. But it's all about the sauce. And he steams these with all kinds of stuff in there. You see kaffir lime leaves and I don't know what else is in there. And the sauce, that's roasted chilies. Fire roasted chilies on there. You see the skins? Oh man. Sweet and spicy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This bag full I got here cost me 50 baht. Which is what? $1 something. $1.50 maybe. US. Ooh, that one, last one was a little bit spicy. I got the chilies. Look at that, huh? Just dripping with sauce. All right, guys, there it is. Mystery meat on a stick, made delicious. This guy's sauce, he's missing out. He should be selling the sauce. Bottles of it, buckets full. And of course, he's not giving up his recipe. 35 years in the business, making a living selling mystery meat. And the secret is in the sauce. He ain't giving up that secret. Can you blame him? Unbelievable. Hey guys, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Very good, man, very good. Which is a surprising thing for me to say with mystery meat.